Hello educators. You are- If you are planning to convert your face-to-face classes to online classes, then this video will definitely help you. Before moving forward, subscribe to our channel to make your teaching easy. In offline classes, students may face difficulties like managing travel time, bonded with time, etc. etc. So nowadays, hybrid classes are more important. Here are few of many benefits of hybrid learning. Now, let's know about few tips to convert your classes to hybrid model. First one is choose a correct technology for online teaching. Second, provide mobile learning options of your course. Third one is engagement with the students during live classes, and the last one is use ebooks of your course with screen share. Thank you for watching. If you are planning to start hybrid courses, then EduGyaan is here to help you out. Meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.